All right, made it. Bear picked me up. I'm so in love with this man. It's kind of crazy. It's really freaking freezing, but really freaking beautiful. We just went grocery shopping because we're headed to Milford Sound this weekend. I've never been to the South Island of New Zealand, so this is my first time. And I've been told that Milford Sound is a freaking treat. So I'm very excited for it. Yeah, I'm coming around here to eat. It's crazy to think that this place is real and exists. Yeah. And he's right there at our doorstep. Like, what? Oh my god, it's so peaceful. I'm in shock. I'm freezing cold and I can't feel my nose, but I can't believe that this place is real. Look at this. Okie dokie, artichoke. So we're about to go out for dinner. I only just realized, like in this moment, not even when I was packing earlier, that I just don't really own any nice clothes. I don't own any nice tops, sorry. So like things to wear with jeans when you go out for dinner, let's say. I kind of just own t-shirts and singlets, and all of them are kind of falling apart and a bit ratty, and I don't mind that. That's kind of just a reflection of who I am as a human, and an accurate reflection, there we go, at that. But I don't know, in my head I'm a lot more fashionable than I actually am. I think that's the problem. Kind of can't believe this place is real. Just wait. Just wait. Cheese.
You can't see. Hey.
You just have to look in the reflection. So today we're hitting the road for Milford Sound. I still don't know what to expect, but Bear's told me that he's been here before, and he's told me that this isn't even the beginning of it. Like we're about to enter into the portal that is Milford Sound, and he said there's just absolutely nothing like it. I'm mind blown by this. This is probably one of the most beautiful places I think I've ever seen. It's literally taking my breath away. Wow, I'm so grateful I came on this trip. So insane. That water. We're about to get in here. Oh! You're kidding. So beautiful.
Mountains get too hot, so all the exposed rock gets...
We look like we're going so fast. We kind of are. Why are we walking so fast? On the road again.
First it's too slow, then it's too fast.
It's so cold. It's so cold.
That shouldn't make it.
We're off to Giant Falls, and it looks insanely beautiful. Wow.
Look at that.
Look at that. Will you look at that? How is this place real? Look at this water. Are you kidding me? One more round of 50. Let's go.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I was wondering before, see how it's like chomped out here? I was like, what's that from? It's from him.
Or his friends.
Oh, you cheeky little thing.
He must be hungry. Well, we're not going to feed you, buddy.
Oh, he's so cute though. Yes, you were. What was a cutie patootie? I don't know about that. His beak looks pretty sharp. He's been sharpening it on the... Don't let him get your toesies. Yeah.
I'm not trying to fucking grab my toes.
Yeah. Look at him. Of course he would. Hi, buddy. I think he would go for your toes. Look at him. Let's go on an adventure.
Going on an adventure.
A really pretty adventure where we're not going to be able to feel our noses and they're going to be dripping. This looks like an actual fairy tale. Wow. Wow, Sky Bear. You're so pretty. Skydiving this morning. No, we're not. What are we doing? Bungee jumping. We're going bungee jumping this morning. Under this orange one is... Oh my god!
You got this, SJ.
That is sick! You're so fucking kidding me! Well, we did it. We bungee jumped. Both of us. We both went this morning. And then now we're in a gondola going, I don't know up what hill. This was just, we went for breakfast and then where are we? What is this? We're doing a luge. Which sounds fancy and I like it because it means we get to go fast down a hill. Wow. Nah, that's not real. That's not real. No way.
Oh.
Bless you all.
SJ.
Extra pants
Actually,
and thermals.
she's about to go in the water.